parents and teachers of Emmanuel St. Michael Lutheran School. Well, we are back in the full swing of things, and one of the best ways in which you can interact with us at Emmanuel St. Michael Lutheran School is through our website, www.esmeagles.com. Now, we know that many of you access information on either a phone or a tablet, and so we want to show you a quick and easy way to get to Emmanuel St. Michael's website using those mobile devices. So let's go ahead and take a look here. You'll notice that we have up on my iPad here that I have Emmanuel St. Michael Lutheran School's website. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press the share button, which is a box with the up arrow. And you'll notice some options come up. And if I scroll through some of those options, one of those options is that I can add this website to my home screen. This is called creating a web clip. Now, you'll notice that the icon is our iconic window logo. And if I just go, I can name this. So I could name this ESM. And you'll notice that I can then just hit add. And now the ESM logo comes up on the screen of my iPad. And if I press and hold it, I can move it around like any other logo. So this is a very quick and easy way to access Emmanuel St. Michael Lutheran School's website by adding kind of like a shortcut to your mobile device. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and we look forward to spending more time in partnership with you this year. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your week.